Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today I want to draw Josh from Blue's Clues. So if you like to follow along with me, grab your marker and let's begin. As usual, let's start with the eyes. I'm going to draw two almond-shaped eyes. So I'm first going to do the top of the eye and then the bottom part. Same on the other side. Top part and the bottom part. And as usual, the pupils. There's one. Here's the other one. The light reflections. And then the irises. Let's fill the pupils in. Right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little button nose, and I want to draw a little smile to the side and a cheek. Here's a cute little smile. Right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyelashes, or the eyebrows, sorry. Here we go, two lines, and then we'll just make it a bit thicker. Here's one, and we'll do the same thing with this one as well. Two eyebrows. Now for the bottom jaw, I'm going to draw two curvy lines up. I'm going to stop right next to the eyes. And now for the hair. I'm going to draw a few strands of hair. And on this side, we're going to draw a nice fringe going all the way around to there, and maybe just a strand of hair sticking out there. Sideburn, and then on the side we're just going to draw the ears. There's one ear, and there's the other ear. Top of the head, I'm just going to draw a few pieces of hair standing up, and from here above the ear I'm going to draw hair. There we go. And on this side, let's do the same thing. We're going to draw a neck. We're just going to draw two lines down, curving out, and a collar, a V shape. Make the collar a bit thicker, like that. The shoulders. So I'm just going to draw two shoulders down on both sides, curve down, not too wide. And now we're going to draw the torso. We're going to connect the torso, so that's going to be the jersey, and we're just going to make two little creases out. And now for the arms, and I'm just going to roughly draw the arms. There we go. The sleeves, and on this side we can draw another sleeve. And now stripes. So we're going to draw the stripes of Josh's jersey. You're going to keep the spacing roughly about the same between each stripe. And now we're going to continue with the stripe. So the top line, the bottom line, top line, bottom line, and last but not least we have one line there. I'm going to start with the pants. So we're going to draw a skew little line down there, and we're going to start with the legs. Make it a bit round on both sides. I'm going to draw a little knee area, and on this side I'm just going to draw a little crease inside there. Then from here you're going to draw the calves, going a little bit out short, and I'm just going to draw another crease there, and maybe another crease there. On this side we're going to copy the same thing, a little crease, a crease, and maybe another one there. I'm going to make it nice and round, take it all the way back, and from here nice and round as well. Now inside here we're going to draw the shoes. Going to make it flat. The soles of the shoes. Straight line. And now on the top we're going to draw all these folds going upwards, and you're going to bring it back. There's one leg. On this side we're going to do the same thing. And take it all the way up, and there's the other leg. We can just make a few little folds here just to make it a bit more interesting. Let's continue with the shoes. So I'm going to draw the shoelaces first. I'm just going to draw 2 shoelaces. On this side, let's do the same thing. In the middle of the shoe, you draw 2 shoelaces. And on the side, there's stripes on Josh's shoes. So we'll draw the stripes right there. Make it 2 stripes. Do the same for the other shoe. 2 stripes on one side, 2 stripes on the other side. There we go. And then the tip of the shoe. And the other shoe as well. And there's the shoe. The shoes are finished. Great. For the arms, I'm going to draw 2 lines down. We'll do the same for this side. And now we're going to draw the hands. So I'm going to draw a thumb, and from the thumb I'm going to draw 4 fingers going up, connected to the hand, to the arm. Same on the other side. 4. And going up, and there's the arms as well. And there's Josh. Now that wasn't hard, was it? You can look at my picture, try to match the colors and color Josh in, and I'm sure Josh is going to look absolutely amazing. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. Thank you for drawing with me. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.